Hello everyone, welcome. Today in Vaaru TV, you're going to be going on with simple Python coding. Let's get to it. So now, I'm going to be helping you guys through a series of steps to go and program your first line of code in Python. So let's get started. So first you have to go to a new tab and go to W3 Schools. And if you go like that, it should become a page. You have to press on that link, w3schools.com, and it will take you to here. Now, we're going to be going on how to do it. So first we go to tutorials, and then we come here into this page. Under programming, there's learn Python. If you go there, there are a lot of stuff. And now we're going to be going to Python get started. So you don't have to install a Python application or a special Python word to do this, because W3 Schools gives you a perfectly accommodatable site. So if you go here, try it yourself, you'll come this code and then it says print hello world. So if you want it to print something, you have to put print one of these, then you have to put this sign. Then you have to put the sign. Then after you put that, you can put whatever you want in the two brackets. So now we can change anything here. Like we can have it welcome to Vaaru TV. So how you have to do this is basically you have to print this welcome to our TV. Then you have to put all the things again, but on the opposite side. Now when you press run, it should run and it would give you an output. Welcome to our TV. And you can also use these stuff to turn your page like this and to make it even darker. You can also change orientation. And you can go back to the website. So I say we all did a good job today, and we've done our first code. So throughout the series, you'll be seeing me and you guys will go through a series of how to do some basic Python. This is our first episode. This is me signing out, Barney. Adios.